Welcome everyone. So as you can see guys, today we are going to start this analysis by looking at the price action of Bitcoin here in a daily time frame, because in a daily right now we are seeing some sort of a weakness. But guys, let me show you this scenario here. The indicators that were clearly showing the weakness in price action has just turned very bullish. I mean, this MACD, if you look at this is a bullish MACD cross. RSI is clearly over 50 level and also indicating the momentum is there, and the T3CCI is also confirming this price movement, even though we are seeing some sort of a weakness here in the price action. But if you look at this here in a whole, this breakout from the symmetrical triangle and seeing some sort of a reversal or even a weakness before continuing here to the upside is absolutely normal. Why? Because if you look at this simple example from the symmetrical triangle, once we break out of the upper line area, the trend usually starts moving here to the upside. But before we continue this actual movement, you can see there will be some sort of a weakness, but the trend usually again starts moving here to the upper direction. So this exact scenario could be playing out right now with Bitcoin price action. And according to this symmetrical triangle, as you can see, our price target around 70,000 to 72,000 is still open. And not just only this symmetrical triangle, which is indicating the price weakness, what we are seeing is absolutely normal, but also if you look at this price structure here using this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern. And also guys, let me make you aware, we have around $4,700 bonus available for our community members from BYBIT and Phemex. If you like to trade Bitcoin, then feel free to use this BYBIT raffling, which is giving around $3,500 bonus to our community member. And if you like to trade altcoin, then you can use this Phemex raffling, which is giving around $1,200 bonus. So this is a great opportunity. Try grabbing it. So now let's switch into other chart. So guys, now if you have watched my video from yesterday, I made it very clear. If we are going to see any sort of a price retracement, then this price line of 66,000 is going to be another line of support. And if this support is also going to get broken, then 63,000 is going to be our strongest support for Bitcoin. And look at this guys, look at this. Before continuing this rally here to the upside, we came back to retest the 66,000 support, and now we are holding around that range. So if the support of 66,000 is going to be there, I believe the price of Bitcoin could continue this rally here again towards this 70,000 to 72,000 price range, also from this 1, 2, 3 reversal scenario. And not just only here in a daily time frame, let's find out what could be playing out if we look at this price structure in a smaller time frame. So now what we are going to do, we are going to look at this price action in a 4-hour time frame and monitor this price retracement. Because if you look at this price structure in a bit different way guys, you can see even though the price of Bitcoin is showing some sort of a weakness, it could still be in favor of bulls, because this actually looks like a very nice bull flag guys. Because if you look at this example from bull flag after consolidation, breakout, and again before continuing this rally, you can see we usually see some sort of a price retracement. But as soon as we break out of this resistance line, you can see here, right, we usually start this rally here again towards this upper direction. So also in a 4-hour time frame right now, as you can see here, even though we are seeing some sort of a weakness in price action, this could still be in favor of bulls. And not just only here in a 4-hour time frame, let me also show you in hourly time frame guys. So if we switch this into hourly time frame right now, if we look at this price structure a bit carefully guys, you can see maybe the price of Bitcoin is trying to form this double bottom type of scenario around this 66,000 price area. So if the support around this 66,000 is going to be there, then maybe this could be turning out as a very nice double bottom type of scenario, and breaking this neckline, right, will indicate that this trend is ready for this next movement here to the upper direction. And also guys, also if you would look at this in a bit different way by simply adding this falling trend line here to the upside, another falling trend line here to the downside. Because if you look at this price structure in this manner, you can see this here, right, if you are not looking this as a double bottom, could be still looked as a descending broadening wedge. And according to this descending broadening wedge, as you can see, the upper line here is a strong line of resistance, right, that can be seen very clearly. So right now, if we are going to also approach this area, we could be finding resistance around this 67,000 price area. But if we do flip this resistance into support, right, then this trend could continue this rally here to the upward direction, because this upper line from this descending broadening wedge is a line of resistance, lower line is a strong line of support. And if you look at this example from this descending broadening wedge, you can see here, as soon as the price breaks out of this upper line area, we will be ready for this next movement here to the upward direction. And in the immediate short term, if the upper line resistance is going to get broken and the trend is going to continue this rally here to the upside, guys, in that case, my price target, right, my price target is going to be somewhere around this 68 to 69,000 area here in the immediate short term for Bitcoin. So let's see if the support around this 66,000 is going to hold the price, and if it does not, right, if it does not hold the price around 66,000, then 63,000 is one of the strongest support for Bitcoin. And also, guys, since the price of Ethereum right now is also showing a very interesting scenario, let's have a quick look at it. So guys, now before we jump into this Ethereum price action, first let's look at this crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. This is an altcoin market cap. So if you look at this altcoin market cap, it is actually flashing this very bullish scenario, which is known as cup and handle. And this cup and handle, the upper line resistance has already been broken. You can see here, we even came back to retest it. Now this is a very bullish sign for everyone holding altcoins right now, because if you look at this cup and handle example, guys, it's very simple. Once the trend or certain asset breaks out of this neckline area, then it usually sees this retest and then continue this rally here to the upside. And if you look in our case, the total market cap, we broke out of it, we came back to retest it, and now this is also showing altcoin market could be booming very soon. And not just only the altcoin market cap, guys, also if you look here to the downside, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, nothing has changed so far, because we are actually expecting some sort of a weakness in Ethereum Bitcoin chart before it starts breaking here to the upper direction. Because after this accumulation cylinder breakout, you can see price usually consolidates, and as soon as it breaks out of this resistance line, it is going to turn very bullish. So that's why right now, if you look at this Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we are expecting some more range bound type of scenario before again this Ethereum Bitcoin chart breaking out here to the upper direction. And now, guys, let's also look at this Ethereum chart here in a daily time frame. So guys, now what we are going to do here in a daily time frame for Ethereum, first I want to add this ascending channel type of scenario that could be playing out right now here in a daily time frame. Because if you look at the price structure in a very simple way, guys, this is a very simple way of looking at this price action. Because if you look at this one here, ascending channel, we are aware the upper line here is acting as a strong line of resistance, and lower line is a strong line of support, right? That can be seen very clearly. And right now where we could be also approaching is this upper line area of this ascending channel before deciding where the trend is going to head next. Because if you look at this price structure, again including this Fibonacci extension line from this swing low till this swing high, the reason why I'm actually expecting the price of Ethereum to continue at least towards this upper line area that could be around $5,000 before choosing an actual trend direction, you can see now. Also, according to this Fibonacci extension from this swing low till this swing high, if you look at this trend continuation, right, this 100% Fibonacci extension line is also lying around 4,968 to 5,000 price area, and that is also indicating maybe in the immediate short term the price of Ethereum might test this upper line area and also this 100% Fibonacci line before choosing an actual trend duration. Because if we do see a pullback even before testing this 100% Fibonacci extension line, we are aware around this 0.786 we have extremely strong support lying around for Ethereum, right? That is around 4,400 range. And even if this is going to be broken and the worst case scenario, right, around this lower line area, that could still be around 4,000 price area for Ethereum. So looking in all together, guys, you can see the price of Ethereum and also the price of Bitcoin looks absolutely fine, even though we are seeing some sort of a weakness at this current stage. So these are some of the scenarios I thought sharing with you in today's episode. If you enjoyed my work, then come on guys, hit that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.